Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find Flixbus stops near you. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Flixbus application, which of course I've done right here. Now, if you want to get the Flixbus application, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and locate your Apple Store or your Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Flixbus and follow through the on-screen prompts for you to download and install. After downloading and installing successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Flixbus. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to find Flixbus stops near you. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you're going to find booking, tickets, stops, and more. Now, each of these icons represents diverse features, so you can just explore them according to your choice. So for you to find Flixbus stops near you, go ahead and click on the stops icon. And once you click on the stops icon, you're going to take you to this window where you have those find stops or cities. Now it says there are no nearby stations. So use the search to find the station you are looking for. So I'm going to use the search bar and I'm just going to type any stop or city. So let's say University of Arizona. So here you go, the patches. So these are stops. These are bus stops. That's Los Angeles downtown Flixbus lots, and this is Las Vegas Strip, and you have this El Paso bus station. So these are the bus stations available for the patches. And if you set it to the arrivals tab, you're going to find bus stops available for arrival. So let's set it to the patches. So here you have the patches 6:05 because you're going to find the time just right beside each stop. You can select trip details for you to find your trip details. So here you go. These are all the stops. Then you can check the stops and times. There's the details. There's the location. There's the map. That is just going to really help you. All right, so click on stops and times for you to find them. There's the stops and these are the times. So for you to make more informed decision. So I'm just going to go all the way back. So this is pretty much how you can find Flixbus stops near you. So that's just it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.